My biggest lessons are that you need to experiment with a lot of the tools and see which one works best for you. And then you want to try and try and try again and not judge after 1 or 2 generations, because sometimes it's difficult to understand how to prompt with AI. So try different ways of obtaining the same result and see which one works best. And the third thing would be to connect with people that are doing similar things and ask them their workflow, what they're doing, because there might be a small thing that you're not doing, that you're missing out on, that will actually create a completely different result. In my creative business right now, I love to use free pick spaces to create workflows for my AI generation so that I don't have to prompt every single time. So this means is basically I have, for example, an image, and then I created a workflow that from this image gives me 10 different camera angles that I can pick from. So this will allow me to just create epic videos and epic images with different angles in a much faster way. And I just create a lot of workflows in my free pick spaces so that I can use it to make things faster. And then Poppy AI is another big one. I love using Poppy to script and train an LLM with creative assets. First of all, you need to learn what AI is, what are the possibilities. So I would just go on YouTube and watch and write like how to use AI for X, how to use AI for Instagram, and then you watch a bunch of videos so you understand what the possibilities are. Then second of all, if you want to monetize, you want to come up with one service or one product that can solve one single problem for one specific customer. So you want to find what you're good at, what you want to find your unfair advantage, and then make it on sales and create educational content about that problem specifically. My favorite AI tools are for finding ideas. I really like Sandcastles. For scripting, I really like Poppy. For creating my voice and cloning my voice, I love 11 Labs. For generating my avatar for video, I use HeyGen. And for posting, I use Metrical if I want to schedule. And for editing, you can try Captions or CapCut. They both have a very cool AI edit feature. And in my business, I use it in my content wheel, which is finding ideas, script, record or generate your clone, edit and posting. And I use, again, a lot of AI tools in this workflow. I think long-term, it's obviously a big question mark for everybody. In the short term, for sure, more and more and more people will start using AI because it does make our life much easier. Unfortunately, it is a sad truth, but it will take a lot of jobs. And this is not the best thing ever, but it will recreate other jobs in a different scale. So in my opinion, you should definitely jump into the AI stuff on whatever you're doing. There for sure is a possibility to integrate AI in your work. And then in the long term, you want to try to stay up to date and you want to try to find a problem and solve it using AI. So focus on problems that people have and you will always be on top of the game. I've grown a secondary account from 0 to 100K followers in less than 10 months. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did that, the full process behind the scenes so that you can replicate it yourself. If you're thinking of joining the AI Creator Summit, definitely do so because I'm going to show you exactly how you can build your personal brand from 0 to 100K followers using AI tools without ever recording a piece of content yourself. And it's a game changer in today's world. If you want to build authority and if you want to build your personal brand, definitely sign up.